All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're talking about a piece of tech built for the insane speed of modern data, Memgraph. If you've ever wondered how companies can analyze millions, even billions of connections in the blink of an eye, well, you're in the right place.
So, to really wrap our heads around what Memgraph does, we first have to understand the core problem it was designed to solve. And really, it all boils down to one simple but incredibly demanding question.
Really think about that for a second. When we're talking about things like fraud detection, cybersecurity alerts, or those recommendation engines that know what you want before you do, you don't have minutes to wait for an answer. You need to see the connections, the patterns as they're happening, right now.
And this is exactly where your typical traditional databases just hit a wall. Look, they're amazing for storing neat rows and columns of information, but the moment you ask them to untangle a complex web of relationships, like a fraud ring or a social network, they really start to struggle. They just weren't built for that kind of speed.
So, if the old way hits a wall, what's the sledgehammer that breaks through it? It's a completely different way of looking at data. Let's get into the graph database approach and see what makes Memgraph's design all about speed, right from the ground up.
First off, what even is a graph database? It's actually pretty intuitive. Just picture a social network in your head. Every person is a node, and the friendships connecting them are the edges. A graph database is built from the ground up just to store and, most importantly, instantly ask questions about those kinds of relationships.
So, where does Memgraph get its speed? The secret sauce is its architecture. See, traditional databases often store data on a disk, which is kind of like having to run to a physical file cabinet every time you need something. It works, but it takes time. Memgraph, on the other hand, is an in-memory database. It holds the entire map of connections in RAM. We're talking about a difference that's like trying to remember something versus having to go look it up in a book. It's just fundamentally faster.
And this quote right here, it just nails it. Streaming graph data, that's the key phrase. It means the data isn't just sitting there, it's constantly pouring in, changing, evolving. Memgraph isn't just looking at a static picture, it's analyzing a movie as it's being filmed. And that right there is the game changer.
Okay, so you've got this blazing fast database. Now what? How do you actually talk to it? Let's get into the toolkit and see how Memgraph lets you ask some really powerful questions. If you've ever used SQL, getting started here is surprisingly easy. Memgraph uses a language called Cypher, and it's designed to be what we call declarative. That's just a fancy way of saying you describe what you're looking for, not the step-by-step recipe on how to find it. It makes the code so much easier to read, it's almost like you're just writing out the question in plain English.
Check out this example. The goal is simple, right? Find the shortest path of friends between Alice and Bob. And look at the Cypher query. It practically reads like the sentence I just said. You can literally see the pattern for a person connected by a friend relationship. It's so powerful because you can solve this huge network puzzle with just one clean, simple command.
But okay, what if you need to go deeper? What if you want to find, say, the most influential person in the entire network, or spot hidden communities? Well, that's where MAGE comes in. It stands for Memgraph Advanced Graph Extensions, and honestly, it's like getting an analytics superpower button.
Let's take PageRank. You know, the famous algorithm that literally helped build Google. With Magil, you can run it on your own data with a single line of code. Just like that, it calculates the influence of every single node, finding not just the people with the most friends, but the people who are connected to other influential people. The insight you get is instant, saving you weeks of coding.
This is all great on paper, but where is this stuff actually making a real difference? Let's take a look at a few examples of where Memgraph is being used out in the wild. In banking, every millisecond counts. Banks use Memgraph to connect thousands of transactions a second, looking for suspicious patterns. Imagine a complex web of seemingly random accounts, all funneling tiny amounts of money to one central account. Memgraph sees that entire network forming in real time and can shut it down before the fraud is even complete.
You know those people who bought this also bought suggestions? Well, this is the engine behind the really good ones. By mapping the relationships between what you look at, what other people like you buy, and even product features, Memgraph can serve up recommendations that feel incredibly on point, and they adapt with every single click you make.
In cybersecurity, speed is life or death for a network. Analysts use this to build a live map of everything happening, every login, every file access. If a breach happens, they can hit rewind and instantly trace the attacker's exact path through the system, seeing where they started, everything they touched, and the total damage they caused. And think about logistics. You can model an entire global supply chain as a graph. So when a port shuts down or a storm hits, companies can instantly analyze all the dependencies and bottlenecks to find the fastest, most efficient new route, all on the fly.
So what do all these things, fraud, security, recommendations, have in common? Well, they're all getting smarter, more predictive. And that brings us to the most exciting field of all right now, artificial intelligence, and the critical role Memgraph plays in it.
So here's how it all fits together. You've got this constant flood of data streaming in from something like Kafka. Memgraph sits right in the middle, acting like a real-time brain. It takes that chaotic stream of information and instantly organizes it into a meaningful graph of connections. These connections, these patterns, we call them graph features, are then fed directly into a machine learning model. This gives the AI the context it needs to make a smart decision right now, based on the absolute latest information. Memgraph is that high-speed connective tissue.
So when you put it next to another big name like Neo4j, what's the real difference? It all comes down to architecture. Memgraph is built to be in-memory first, which makes it a specialized tool for situations where speed is everything. Think of it like this. Neo4j is a fantastic, heavy-duty truck for building huge knowledge graphs. Memgraph is the Formula One car built for pure, unadulterated, real-time performance.
So if we boil it all down, what's the core value? It really stands on 4 pillars. First, the absolutely blistering speed of its queries. Second, its natural ability to drink from the fire hose of live streaming data. Third, all those built-in AI analytics. And finally, the fact that you can actually learn to use it without a massive headache thanks to Cypher. All that together is what makes it such a powerful tool in a modern setup.
And that really brings us to the final question you should be asking yourself. All the insights, all the risks, all the opportunities, they're hiding in the connections within your data. The real question is, can you see them fast enough for it to matter?